in this video, we're going to see how to use the Jumpring tool, which is a finger ring I bought from Design Cart. Let's jump into the video. Here I'm having two different size of Jumpring. One is 4mm, another is 8mm. So while opening the Jumpring, we will be using two pliers, so one on the right side and on the left side. So we will be using two at the same time to open and close the Jumpring. So we will feel difficult, and at the time it will open very widely and it will create problem when we using to make the jewelry. When we work on the jewelry making, we need to deal with many Jumpring, so we keep on need to open the Jumpring and we need to close the Jumpring. It will be a really struggle, and if we go for the small Jumprings, it is very hard to open. At the time we need to take more care of that Jumpring, so if we open the widely, we need to close the both end by changing the plier positions. So instead of that, I am going to show you a new product, which is a finger ring that will help you to use the open the Jumpring easily. I got this Jumpring tool from Design Cart. If you purchase this ring, use my code rslakshmi10 to get 10% off on each and every material you purchase in the Design Cart. So now I'm going to show how we will use this finger ring. It will have a slight slit. One side it will have two slits, and other side and one slit. The size will be varying, so you can use a different size of Jumprings to open. Now I will demonstrate how to use that finger ring tool. So hold the plier in one hand and wear the finger ring in another hand. Now you can easily open the Jumpring with this tool. See how easy to use. So when we go for smaller size, really the Jumpring tool is very easy to use and handle, so we don't want to use the two pliers at the same time. See, they have given a different size to open, so we can check which size will be suitable for opening the Jumpring and we can use that one. So mostly the Jumpring which is used for making a choker necklace or any jumka, or we having a loreals, many loreals, and we need to join each and everything and to make a chain. At that time it will be really useful. If you are working on mold Jumprings, one of the best tool I have ever seen. So instead of handling with the two pliers, so what happened when we use the two pliers, it will bend, or the hand will get shaken. So we don't need to think about these things. We can easily open and we can insert the loreals and we can do the work continuously. If you like my video, please comment useful in the comment section, and if you want to purchase jewelry materials or any other tools, you can check out the website Design Cart. There you can buy all the stuffs. Use my promo code rslakshmi10 to get 10% off. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.